Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I am with another recipe, egg puffs. It's a popular South Indian bakery item, everybody's favorite, even kids will enjoy it thoroughly. It's crispy, flaky texture made with puff pastry sheets, egg and spiced onions. I'm going to show you how you can get same bakery style taste and texture using air fryer and oven methods. This is one reason why I keep using less oil for my daily cooking. It's a kind of guilt-free eating for special days as I'm saving calories maximum times. Coming to nutrition, each egg puff is around 145 calories and 5 grams of protein. Thus, eating 2 puffs is ideal as a snack alone. Let's get started with onion mix first. Heat the pan, add half a teaspoon of oil, add 3/4 cup of finely chopped onions. Give it a mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt, pinch of turmeric, coriander powder, paprika or chili powder, pepper powder, chaat masala, and mix all spices together. You can add pinch of cumin powder, but it's optional. Keep the lid and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or until onions turn golden brown color. As you can see, just half a teaspoon of oil is what I used for sauteing 3/4 cup of onions. The trick is cooking on non-stick pan and a medium flame with lid on. Just keep mixing in the middle. Cut boiled eggs into halves. Take a bowl, add chaat masala, salt, pepper powder. Salt and pepper powder are must. Mix them together. Sprinkle on eggs. I'm going to use ready to bake puff pastry sheets made from enriched wheat flour. If you want to cut down few more calories, you can try sheets made with wheat flour. Add little wheat flour. Now take a puff pastry sheet, dust it on top, roll it gently and cut the sheet into 3 parts. Roll only the edges. Stack sheets with the parchment paper to avoid sticking. Take the sheet and apply water on the edges. Add little onion mix and place the egg upside down. Close the edges gently. You can either close all 4 edges or only 2 edges. Egg wash is to get the shiny golden brown color texture. Once egg wash is done, keep them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. You can prepare these puffs ahead of time if you have guests coming over. Here is the air fryer method. Take the air fryer basket, place oven mat or liner at the bottom, brush with little oil, place the puffs, air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown color on top. Now flip the egg puffs, air fry again at 360 Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. You can see how shiny and nice textured the puffs are. Egg puffs are ready to serve. You can eat them alone. I have put the ketchup only for the sake of plating. Kids will like it with ketchup. These puffs are very tasty. If you can't limit the portion size, do spend some time on calorie expenditure by walking a little more or exercising. Here is the oven method. Preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Lightly grease the foil on a baking tray. Arrange the puffs. Bake them at 400 Fahrenheit for 18 minutes or until brown color on top. Flip them and bake them again at 350 Fahrenheit for 5 to 6 minutes. Egg puffs are the perfect occasional snacks for your family and delightful potlucks, gatherings, and parties. Enjoy the tasty egg puffs. At the same time, watch out for portion size. Thanks for watching.